Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Super Typhoon Yagi hits Vietnam. Super Typhoon Yagi, the most powerful storm in Asia this year, made landfall in northern Vietnam, causing widespread destruction. The storm killed at least 4 people, with 78 others injured and over a dozen individuals reported missing at sea. More than 50,000 people were evacuated and 450,000 military personnel were deployed to assist in relief efforts. The typhoon had previously impacted Henan, China and the Philippines, where it caused significant damage. Now let's talk about impact in Vietnam. Typhoon made landfall with winds of up to 160 km per hour after weakening from a peak strength of 234 km per hour in Henan, China. Vietnam's industrial city of Haiphong was among the worst affected, with strong winds and waves as high as 3 meters. Thousands of trees were uprooted, homes were damaged, and widespread power outages were reported in Haiphong and other northern provinces. Airports were shut down, over 300 flights were cancelled, and public transport, including metro lines, was suspended in Hanoi. Let's know about typhoons. A typhoon is a type of tropical cyclone that forms in the northwestern Pacific Ocean. Typhoons form over warm ocean waters, requiring temperatures above 26 degrees Celsius. They have a calm eye at the center, surrounded by powerful winds and rain bands. Typhoon season typically peaks between May and October in the Pacific region. Let's talk about climate change and the intensity of typhoons. Experts have linked the increasing severity of typhoons like Yagi to climate change, with warmer ocean temperatures contributing to stronger storms. Typhoons like Yagi and Shanshan, which recently hit Japan, serve as stark reminders of the impact of climate change on weather patterns. The increasing frequency and intensity of these storms underline the need for better disaster preparedness in affected regions. Now it's time for the practice question. What factor is contributing to the increased strength of typhoons like Yagi? Global warming, rising sea levels, deforestation, overfishing. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.